Hi everybody. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of these here broadheads that I got. These are the SEVR right? Broadheads, and I got to tell you, I really like this packaging that they come in. And let's see what's inside the box and stuff. Okay. Oh, so you see, it's got everything that's pretty much on the website. And in the box here we have instructions. Tells you how to go into your practice mode and all of that good stuff and what all these parts are, which is pretty awesome. Put that up to the side. Cool stickers for your car, your toolbox, and all that good stuff. Can't wait to put those there on. Packing slip. This is a removal tool. It's called a toolkit with bag. I don't know exactly what it is, but I do see that there's an Allen key in there, small one, and I don't exactly know what this is yet, but I'm sure I'm going to find out. Looks like the broadhead goes in there. Maybe it's to screw it on. Looks like a flathead screwdriver down the end here. Not 100% sure what it is, but I'll figure it out. So as you can see, I got 3, but this is a piece of foam. And you can get this all the way filled up, I'm sure. And I'm sure they just cut back on the foam if you wanted to. If you do buy 6 of these, you will get 1 free. So that's the good thing about this. I do like. Okay, so they're individually packed here. You know, you got your logo and everything. It's a really nice package, and I'll tell you that. You know, I've been waiting for these. I actually was watching Josh Bomar from Bomar Hunting, and he actually used these in one of the videos earlier this year, and of 2018, and it was where he got his first big buck, and I was very impressed with the the impact of this. I was like, oh my God, it's like I gotta find these, and it just turned out that about 2 months ago. These went officially on the market, so, and it just happened to be from Instagram that I saw this, so I was very happy to to get in them. They're about $14 a piece. You can buy them individually, and I would say buy at least 3 because the shipping is probably about the same for 1 as it is for 3, so you might as well do that. So hold on, I'm going to get this open for you. I'm going to put this on my stand. Okay, couldn't find my stand, but I still opened it up, and I'll be able to take everything out with my one hand, most likely. Now over here, it looks like you have the set screw and a couple of different O-rings here. So then this way you can put this into a practice mode, and you have extra O-rings for when you use them up. They're supposed to slide off, so I'm actually going to shoot this and at its at its regular form and see if I can get it to actually open up and everything like that without breaking the O-ring. So it remains to be seen. So this is the broadhead here itself. I'm going to try not to get cut while I'm doing this guy for you guys. Okay, here we are. She's a beaut, isn't she? So it's pretty big. It's nice. Feels light. I have some Grimreapers, and I have some Rage Trypans. So these are like close to a Rage Trypan as far as they should as flight. My Trypans, they fly really well. I mean, they're really super accurate. My bow and everything is pretty much tuned into a Grimreaper though, so I actually take them both out with me. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to take all 3 of these out. I'm going to shoot them through a water bottle or something like that and see what the impact is, because even out on the net I haven't seen any real comparisons between a SEVR and either a Grimreaper or a Rage, so I'm going to do it for you since I just happen to have them. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, I have 3 bottles set up. One's going to get a Rage Trypan, one's going to get a SEVR 2.0, and one is going to get a Grimreaper. So let's see how this pans out. I've been dying to do this, I haven't done it yet. Oh, that's a lot of fun, guys. Well, you can see this one on a good trajectory. Everybody got through and everybody opened up. This first one here, on this side here, was a Rage. This one in the middle over here that's pouring out pretty good, that is your Grimreaper. And that's your brand new SEVR 2.1. So there you have it. As far as the blood coming out and everything like that, I guess the Grimreaper is taking that one. They all opened up pretty good. They all have good flight. I tried aiming for the lower section. I'm using a Eastern Bloodline arrow. I'm also using a Hoyt Defiant bow. So it's 65 pounds, actually 67 pounds. And I shot at about 15 yards. So, alrighty. So that's my little test of that. Okay guys, we're back inside. So as you can see, I got the SEVR here, I got the Grimreaper here, and I got the Rage here. All 3 of these did their job. They all went through, they all flew beautifully. They all pretty much hit exactly where I wanted them to hit. They're all high quality, and they're all titanium. This I thought was going to rock a little bit more in its way, but I'm going to have to fool around with it a little bit and everything like that, and see exactly, you know, what goes on with it. I'm not used to it yet. I just got them, and this is the first time I've shot them. I've shot the Grimreaper. The one reason I do like the Grimreaper, right, is because of you don't have to, you know, this will open up, it'll do its job, and then pretty much you can reuse it just like that. It's because it's spring loaded over here. And the Rage the Rage gives you a really nice impact. It flies really good. I like that chiseled nose on it, and SEVR is just pretty much, I mean, you know, they're pretty much the same. It appears that they're all about a 2-inch cut. The one thing that had me getting, you know, straying away from Rage in the first place was the fact that you have consumables. You have this, the shock collar, and over here you have O-rings, but O-rings are, you know, much cheaper than you know, your shock collars. So, I mean, they're all great broadheads. As you can all see, they're probably pretty much in lengthwise, they're the same size, you know. So I'm looking forward to trying these out in real life. You know, I bring all 3 of these arrows. I'm going to bring all 3 of these arrowheads, these broadheads, out with me in the field, and hopefully I'll be able to use them. I have actually 3 tags, so that's pretty much how I'll handle it for a real type situation. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you liked it. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. I usually do keto videos, but today I'm so happy to have gotten, you know, a new broadhead that I wanted to share this with you, and I wanted to share it with all my friends. Okay, so you go ahead and you have a really good day, and take care now. Bye-bye.